So you've heard this chord progression from your favorite afrobeat producers or artists. And you want to get this same chord progression and use for your afrobeat. Let me show you right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa, and once again the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, the secret to get this chord progression is to pause this video and subscribe. If you are new here, I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna show you this. Just do me a favor, subscribe, like the video so that YouTube will promote this video for me. This is what we do to grow the channel, so help your brother. All right, so guys, I'm gonna show you a simple app on your phone that you can use. All right, so this is the app that you can download. It's called ckay. Okay, you can use it on both Android and iOS. All right, so guys, download it. The link is in the description box. Click to download it for free. All right guys, so what you're gonna do is to open this. All right, so I'm gonna make it big. So when you open this, guys, what you're gonna do is to hit this microphone here. All right, then guys, you're gonna hit this record button whilst you play the sound, and I tell you, this is gonna detect everything for you. So guys, let's hit that as we play our beat. And you can see it is detecting the chord progression for us. So once it is done, I'm gonna hit the stop button. Okay, so you can see adjusting. All right, so right now I want you to click on this icon here, which is like a C button. So we're gonna show you the various chord progression. So all right guys, so once we've gotten this, okay, what we're gonna do is to make the same chord progression. So the first thing we're gonna do is to detect the tempo for the beat. Right click here, detect tempo. You can see this sample came with a tempo information embedded 105 bpm. So you're gonna hit that. All right guys, so what you can do next is to open your VST or plugin. Over here I'm going to use hypersonic. Okay, so if you want to know how to detect the key, then watch the video up here, how to detect the key for unknown beats. All right, so once you detect that, you go to the piano roll. All right guys, and you can see this is C sharp minor. Okay, so you go here, you change this to minor. Okay, so you hit minor like this because the first one is C sharp minor. Okay, so you can see so this is the sharp, then you click like this. All right guys, so the next thing is what? It's a B major. Okay, so you hit like this to get your B major. Guys, subscribe to the channel. And this one is C sharp minor again. Okay, C sharp minor again. You go here, then we click again, C sharp minor again, then the last one is B. Okay, so you go back, B major again. Okay, so this B major, you hit it like that guys. Okay, after that, let's try and listen to this chord progression. I'm using this. Okay, I'm using a pad from Hypersonic. All right, mega pad. Okay, so let's listen to it. If it's the same, we're gonna compare it to the beat itself. Let's change this to pattern guys. So let's listen to it. If it sounds the same, all right, so guys, let me off the metronome, listen to it well. All right, so let me play that one here like this. Okay guys, then let's try and compare. Chop this one off. Okay, this is the instrument. Let's listen to it. Change this one to song mode. Let's listen to the chord progression. And what you have gotten, let's listen. All right guys, you can blend them and you can see that it's the same. Alright guys, so this is how to detect any chord progression from your favorite song or beat. Okay, so you can download any, you can detect the chord progression in your favorite song by using this chord AI app on your phone. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Godside, still the solution carrier. So let me drag in a simple drum loop, then we see. Alright, so I'm gonna use this my drum loops. You can download this from the link. Alright, so watch the video to know how to detect the key. Once you detect the key and you watch the other video to know how to make the same drums, then guys, you are cool to create any beat that you want to from your favorite music producers or artists. So let's listen to this. Alright, so the name is Godside, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.